Hello and welcome back, you guys. I keep just getting more stuff for the car. I might not have money for food, but I got stuff for the car, you guys. And it's all because of you. I want to show you guys something that I got today. Give me a second, let me open this up. Badge, you guys can see. It's a really nice car. I like that. I batches and the gas pump filler where you get the fuel, as you can see right here, and the push start, which is this baby right here. Look at that for detail, guys. Look at the detail on that. It says push to unleash hell. That's really nice detail. Together, and I want to show you what I'm installing. I'll be posting some pictures what it says. You can see way better than this. But this is the push start button right here. So I'll be installing that. Really easy installation. All you need is a towel or a cloth, whatever you want to get. First clean dry it, and then what you want to do is get some whatever alcohol you got. Just grab a little alcohol and then just make sure you really wipe it. Let it dry for a couple seconds or a minute. It's up to you. As long as it looks dry, you don't have to wait that amount. Definitely gonna be unleashing some hell. So that's it, you guys. Pretty nice material. I'll say for material wise, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Real nice colors. Everything pops out, as you guys can see. Super nice. Push to unleash hell. So same deal with this. Just give it a quick dry with the dry side first. Add a little alcohol. Back to you guys. Pretty good looking. I might say so myself. Oh, I love this material. It reflects really good with the light. It looks awesome.